Hi and welcome to this particular video tutorial. This video tutorial is going to deal with how to actually put a domain name onto the Global Graphics intranet. So the first thing you want to do is go to the intranet. So open up your browser. It should automatically come up as your default page or a number of pages, and then you've then got to log in as your specific user. So I'm going to log in as me, and then my password. Okay, so once you're logged in, you need to double check first of all to see whether that domain name which you're about to actually register onto the internet hasn't already been inserted. So this is the domain name which I want to enter in. This is it here. So I get that. Okay, copy that, and then I put it into the quick search and type quick search, and nope, it's no suggestions. That means it's not there already. So okay, so that's fine, no problems. So what we want to do now is we go back to here and we go to domain names, click onto there, and it's come up with the default page which is a number of listed domain names. Now we don't want those. What we want to do is add a new domain name. Click on there. Okay, so it's now asked a number of fields for you to fill in. So okay, so the domain name, who actually is the domain name, what is the domain name, and that's the domain name there. Support contract, default none. Security password, if they don't have one you can miss it out. For this moment I'm going to miss it out. And then the main contact is a young lady called Dale, and then Povey, P-O-V-E-Y, and then the contact email address. Now if you don't have the contact email address, you can go look up on that on ACT. So open up ACT. It may take a second for it to open up. Okay, log in to ACT as your user. It may take a second or two. Okay, logging in now. Okay, so what I want to do now is look up that particular company. Now I know it's called Community something, so I've got Community. Let's have a look, and there we go, Community Garden Project, and that's where that's her email address. So I copy that from there, minimize that down, go back to the intranet, paste it in, and then go add record. Okay, we've now successfully added that domain name to our intranet. There are a couple of other things you need to do. For example, you need to add it in the FTP details, so when you add it onto the system for the Helm, onto server, those details are there. So what you need to do is click onto here, edit. It should automatically fill it in. If you're happy with that, just click save. Okay, that's it. Job done. We've now entered a domain name onto the intranet, and we're now ready to move on to the next stage, which is entering it into Helm. But essentially that is it. We've added the domain name onto the intranet. If by chance the client wanted to add some email accounts onto the domain name, you see this here where it says email accounts, click onto there, and you'll see it automatically comes up with their domain name. Click on, go back to the very beginning, which is here, and then you type in their email account. Now for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to put admin. Okay, so I've put admin, and then it's automatically come up with a password. Happy with that. If I wanted to change it to something else that the client wanted to insert, I would put it in there, and then I just click save. Okay, if I wanted to add another, I'll just do exactly the same process again and continue on until I completed it. But for the moment, I've completed what I needed it to do. Okay, that's it. Thanks. Bye.